Hello friends, welcome to my channel Saanvi's Playground. Today we are making a pineapple jelly. We add 1 cup of hot water. We add Jello powder. The flavor is pineapple. You could take your favorite flavors. Be careful with scissors, friends. We mix the powder without lumps. Add more water, stir fast. We put the jello in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will take out the jelly from the bowl in a plate. Tada! Our jello is ready. Isn't it so easy to make jelly? So you also make jelly and tell me by comment how is it made. It's time to taste. Yum! Thank you for watching. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.